Sikat yan. Tasha!
Di ba sobrang haba na? Tuloy mo muna kaya?
Isang oras yan.
Parang si Daddy tawagan. Finish, you want more rice? No!
Guys,
Maybe.
guys, guys, guys.
Papa-order ka. Sobrang pa yan. Painom ka na, painom. Ay, sorry kuya, sorry bunso. Siya kayo. Stand, stand.
Tasha!
Natay dancer eh. Gasolina. May gasolina siya eh. Oh, gasolina.
Because like the song says, you are at high time. You almost there. Don't panic.
Gasolina.
There's still more music to come.
Full tank yan.
Ayan, tubig, babe.
So that the lights you see in the distance. Soon you'll be healed, forgiven, and refreshed. Free from all trauma, pain, guilt, and shame. You may even forget your own name. But before you go in that house forever, here's 30 minutes of easy listening to some slow tracks on 103.5 LMFM.
Guys, patabag ka? Nakailang ka rice? Guys, pa babe. French fries. Pagdating French fries? Yeah. Kasama ba yan? Yeah. No. Stand. Miss French fries.
Let's go. Kaka.
Sarap naman nila. Seafood. Sarap ng seafood. Pero maanghang. Masarap siya. Ayun na! Wala na nakanagamit. Puput lang. Eh, ngayon kung piso te ha. Piso te. Jason, kaya pagkaspagay mo ulit. Sobrang haba na.
Okay lang yan, wag...
I-edit ka lang. Ay, edit lang ba? Ba't sa akin namamatay? Nag-uok. Ay. Jason. Sayaw. Up.
Ayaw ka, pakating ka niyan. Eh.
Boom! 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 Mama, big boy!
Uy, ubusin mo yung chicken mo. Puro balat lang kinain mo ka. Kampay.
Everyone! Cheers!
Nauuhaw eh.
Dance, dance.
Dance. Tabi mo yan.
Ako, nakakaon na ba ka dire o ba si Des? Abot ninyo.
Dance.
Ganda pala kasama si Tati. Oh, ni KJ.
Mamalaglagan ba ba?
Katulad ni Gab. Kasama dito siya walang ginawa kundi maglaro sa kapatid.
Tatandaan mo yun, Ma?
Dance.
Mahak na, walang kahit.
Baka nakacheck lang sa kami.
And you're watching!
Ano yan, mangangyatay na ano yan, no?
Ketchup.
Sojo!